Top 5 apps like iforgotapplecom review that actually work today. If you've ever forgotten your Apple ID or password, you know how frustrating it can be. You won't believe what happens next, but several apps can simplify account recovery faster and safer than using iforgotapplecom alone. First, LastPass. While primarily a password manager, LastPass securely stores your Apple ID and can autofill credentials for recovery. Many users find it faster than waiting for reset emails. Second is iPassword. Similar to LastPass, iPassword tracks all your login information securely. The app also generates recovery codes that can speed up Apple account recovery. Number 3 is Dashlane. Dashlane alerts you to forgotten passwords and offers easy password reset links. Its intuitive interface makes managing multiple Apple IDs simple. Fourth, Authy. While it's mainly for two-factor authentication, Authy can store backup codes for Apple accounts. This ensures you can regain access even if your phone is lost. Finally, Keeper. Keeper securely stores credentials and generates strong passwords. Its vault system is particularly useful if you manage multiple Apple IDs for work or family. In conclusion, while iforgotapplecom works, these 5 apps provide faster, more reliable options for password recovery and account management. They help prevent lockouts and make keeping track of credentials stress-free.